How to add Amazon affiliate links to Linktree. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. It is very simple and you only need two different things. First, obviously an Amazon Associates account in order to actually get to the affiliate links from Amazon. Second thing is going to be a Linktree account, so you can just go and visit their website, Linktree. I'm going to put it on the screen in front of you, visit their site and create a free account. Once you do that, you can just go and start following these steps. Okay, so once you're done signing up for Linktree, you're going to be able to customize it a little bit. You're going to be able to add your bio or your profile picture and so on. Afterwards, you're going to find links and shop, and obviously design, but I'm not going to talk about that. Basically, links are going to be if you have, let's not say specific products. Specific products we're going to add to the shop option. But for the links option, you're going to add things that are, more general. So like signing up pages, landing pages, and so on. All of this you can add in here. But if it's a specific product, you can just use shop for that. Now, I also need to note that you need to kind of disclose that you are going to be using Amazon affiliate links and you're going to be earning commissions. I believe that's a must to add to your Linktree. So anyways, what we are going to do right now, I'm just going to leave this page empty and I'm just going to go ahead and go to Amazon.com. Obviously, now you have already created your Amazon Associates account, so you can actually get affiliate links. So all you need to do really just go to Amazon.com, find the product that you want to have an affiliate link to, for example, this one in my case, and you just want to click on get link from the top. Now again, if you don't see this, this means that you're not logged into your Amazon Associates account and you need to create one. So anyways, click on get link and you simply now you just want to basically copy this link and paste it in your Linktree. So go back, go to shop, click on add, and you're just going to add a product and you're just going to go ahead and paste in the link for that. Now you're just going to go ahead and give it a title. So you can really just go to your Amazon page and really just copy the title of this one, the actual product itself, and add that to the title from Linktree. And you obviously are just going to add the images by drag and drop, or you can just click here and upload it and click on add product. Images actually required, so let me just go ahead and do that real quick. Now I know this image is not really related to the product that I just got, but this is just a tutorial. Anyway, I'm not really going to be using this affiliate link, but you're just going to basically download the proper images and use them and click on add product. Okay, so now we have our product ready to go, and obviously you can just feel free to repeat the process and you can even create a collection if you want to. And again, for the links, you're just going to add more general ones, not specific products, sorry. And yeah, we're pretty much good to go. So the only thing left for us to do is just copy this link and add it to our bio or whatever it may be, and we're pretty much done. Now, I need to note that this is going to basically take people to this page, which is the links tab. If you wanted to take them to the shop right away, what you want to do is add /shop after it. So it's going to look something like this. Without the /shop, it's going to take us to the links, and obviously people can just toggle between them. But if you add /shop after the name, it's going to right away just take them to the shop page. Actually, one last thing that I need to also note here is you want to go to Amazon Associates Central, click on the burger menu on the top, and click on Account and Account Settings. From here, all you need to do is just click on Edit Your Website, Mobile App, and Alexa Skill List. And you want to basically add your Linktree link over here, which is going to be this one, and click on Add. And click on Next. And just like that, we're pretty much good to go. The only thing left for you to do is really just design your page to look a lot more professional. And that's pretty much all you need to do. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.